Number 13 and 14, these logs do not appear to have bases, but these are our two implied bases. So if there's just log of something, it's implied to be base 10. So once you see the 10 there, then you can transform it. And this is going to be 10 squared is equal to 100. For number 14, ln, again, this is the natural log. So this is actually log base e. So the e from the previous section, this comes back, and if you see ln, that is log base e. And then we can transform this, and we're going to get e squared is equal to x. Again, the 10 squared is equal to 100. That is a true statement. E squared is equal to x. There's not really any way to check to see if that's true, but that will be our answer.